Hey guys, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. It's a beautiful day here in southeastern North Carolina. We've got a beautiful boat to show you today. This is a 2017 Grady-White 306 Canyon. Very beastly center console here. Optioned very well. Very spacious boat. Absolutely beautiful everywhere you look. Just do a quick walkthrough, show you the layout, and I'll dive deeper into some of the features. This boat is powered by twin 350 Yamahas. Just about 460 hours on them. This is a seafoam green hull with the Grady-White bottom. Color matched motors, color matched under the hardtop. Twin Garmin touchscreen MFDs. Has the Yamaha Helm Master joystick. It's got Garmin autopilot, Garmin open array radar. It's got the ACR spotlight. Of course, the Yamaha binnacles, hydraulic steering, power assist with the tilted helm. Yamaha digital gauges up front. Easy access to all your Grady-White switches. We got the Ritchie compass as well. Beautiful visibility on this boat. Whether you're running a far distance offshore, cruising the waterway, or just sitting at anchor, you can see just about everything. So currently this boat has the bow filler cushion configured. Creates a big sun pad up front for your guests to lay out. These backrests also pivot for when you want to cruise, you want to face forward. Definitely some of the most popular seating on any boat. You've also got the forward console seat. You got insulated storage underneath. This boat has tons of storage on board, whether it's insulated storage, fish boxes, dry storage in the head. Here's a quick look at the head. Got a holding tank, mesh storage right here, access to the back of the dash, life vests, and what have you. Also freshwater tank down there. Look at some of the speakers and the sub at the dash, at the helm area. Powered by the Fusion, Bluetooth capable, Sirius XM stereo unit. Bolstered helm chairs with the folding armrests. Also got lockable storage in there. Got the rocket launchers, the back of the hardtop. We've got the Sure Shade to provide shade for you and your guests in the cockpit. A freshwater shower right here. Got cup holders, 6 rod holders in the gunnels, lockable rod storage underneath the gunnels. Got a boarding step. Another huge insulated fish box, currently being used for fenders and lines. You can see just how big this is. Easy access. And if you get something really big, you can bring it through the door, or it can just act as easy entry and exit. You can lock it here on and off the boat with the 4-step stainless swim ladder. Better look at the lockable rod storage there. You've got your engine flush mounts right there. Freshwater fill. You've also got the flip up aft bench seat for when you're cruising to the fishing grounds or just going for a boat ride. Another very popular spot. Behind the leaning post, you've got your freshwater sink and your live well. You've got 4-drawer tackle storage, as well as storage for your knives, lures, and other rigging. Up on the hardtop, you've got more speakers. You've got the outrigger mounts. You've got twin Garmin VHF units with individual antenna mounted above. You've got spreader lights, red, white, and blue map lights for when you're running at night. Tons of room up top to throw your phones. Guys, this boat is beautiful. It is big. It's definitely got the upgraded power over the 300 options. Beautiful boat. You've got access to your windlass up front, controls up here, as well as at the helm. Got a stainless anchor. As you'll notice, everything up on the bow is flush mounted, so that if you do need to come up here and handle some lines or even fight a fish, you're not going to be tripping over everything. Stainless cleats recess into the deck. Nav lights pop up. Windlass is covered. This boat has sea deck throughout. Really adds to the comfort. Like I said, absolutely beautiful boat. Very powerful, both the hull and the power. Equipped very well with electronics and the joystick. Located here in southeastern North Carolina. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, feel free to give me a call on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, aboard a 2017 Grady-White 306 Canyon with about 460 hours on the twin Yamaha 350 4-strokes. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Give me a call for your own private showing. Let's get you out on the water.